Three most reviewed glycolic acid toners on Nykaa, and one of them could actually make your dark spots worse before it makes them better. Let's find out which one I use and why. So glycolic acid is an AHA that breaks down the bonds between the dead skin cells so that they shed naturally. And the concentration and frequency at which you use it matters more for Indian skin. Since we have higher melanin, we have a significantly higher risk of PIH, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Basically, if glycolic acid causes you irritation, your skin responds by producing more pigment and your dark spots don't fade, they get darker. And in Indian skin, that hyperpigmentation is more prominent and longer lasting, and that is why building tolerance is not optional for Indian skin. Now let's talk about these three products. Starting with Pixi Glow Tonic, with 5% concentration, this is the gentlest for beginners. But it contains fragrance and witch hazel, so if you are sensitive, patch test first. The next one is Minimalist 8%. It is the strongest and the cheapest one. But with bamboo water and basic humectants, it has the least anti-irritant support among the three. It should work fine on the body, basically thicker skin, but I wouldn't put that on my face. And finally, the Ordinary 7%, somewhere in the middle but most thoughtfully formulated of the three. It has Tasmanian pepperberry that actually blocks the stinging sensation, and it has a full amino acid complex supporting your barrier while your acid works. This one never leaves my shelf. मेरी पहली बॉटल खत्म होने से पहले ही दूसरी बॉटल आ जाती है. But I started with Pixi Glow at 5% and built up. The Ordinary says you can use it daily, but if you're new to acids, start with 2 to 3 times a week. And guys, this is liquid gold. I legit use this for my entire body. Check the caption for how and what I use it for and thank me later. So, always check the INCI list before you buy to any high product. Follow me for more such content.